Hello and welcome one and all. Today, we're diving into n8n, a powerful open source workflow automation tool that lets you connect apps, databases, APIs, and AI models, all with no code or low code logic. We are running n8n locally using Docker, so make sure you have Docker Desktop installed. If you need help setting that up, check out my previous video. I walk you through the entire Docker installation process. The link is in the description below. This is the workflow of the data analysis AI agent created in the previous video. We will use the same workflow and integrate the Ollama chat model. If you haven't installed Ollama yet, don't worry, I covered the full installation process in the previous video. You can follow the steps there to install and get started. Link is in the description below. The Ollama is running on the host machine and the n8n in a Docker container. We need to make a few tweaks for n8n to reach Ollama. On the host machine, we will set two environment variables. We set the Ollama host to 0 IP address. This is a special IP address that means bind this service to all available network interfaces on this machine. So instead of limiting Ollama to only respond on localhost, using 0000 allows it to listen for connections from any IP including localhost, your own machine, other containers on the same Docker network, your LAN IP. By default, Ollama binds to port 11434. But in my case, it was reserved by a system process, so I am running it on a different port. We set the Ollama origins to a wildcard. Ollama will accept requests from any origin, no restrictions. You can restrict this to n8n origin. In my experience, environment variables need a restart to take effect. So give it a restart if your Ollama instance is not available via the host machine's IP address. Now it's time to connect our chat model. We remove Gemini. Click to add a new chat model. From the list search and select Ollama. We will create new credentials for Ollama. We need to provide the base URL. It will be the IP address of the machine running Ollama and port. We can test the configurations to make sure we are able to connect. Upon success, we click to X to close this dialog box. Under Model, we select from the available models. I will select the GPT open source model. OpenAI's open-weight models designed for powerful reasoning, agentic tasks, and versatile developer use cases. Instead of using a cloud-based model like Gemini, we'll be running Ollama locally with the GPT open source 20 billion parameter model. Why the switch? Privacy and data protection. With Ollama, everything runs entirely on your machine. No data leaves your computer, making it ideal for private or enterprise environments where security is critical. Now let's test the local AI agent. We'll pose the same questions to this agent. Then we can compare the responses against Gemini. Let's start with the easy question. What's the total sales amount? The workflow executes, and the agent returns the correct result. Let's follow up with show sales by country. The AI aggregates the data correctly and presents it neatly, all processed locally through Ollama, without sending any data outside your machine. We will ask the agent to show us our top selling products. Show top 10 products. The agent responds with results and insights. If you paste one of its insights back as a follow-up question, it builds on the context intelligently thanks to Postgres memory. The analysis includes performance metrics, inventory suggestions, and even trends over time. It's a powerful AI data assistant running 100% privately, powered by n8n, Ollama, and GPT open source model. And that's it. We've just built a private, local AI data analyst using n8n for automation, Ollama model for AI reasoning, Postgres for memory and data queries, No API keys, no cloud dependencies, just full privacy, transparency, and control. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the previous video to get Ollama installed on your machine. Until next time, keep automating and stay private. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.